Your iPhone is signed into an Apple ID, and Find My is on. If you want to do a factory reset, you will need to enter the correct Apple ID password to confirm the erase. Or you are stuck on the iPhone unavailable screen, tap on the iPhone reset option, and it will ask you to enter the Apple ID password. No worries, in this video, we will show you solutions to solve the issue instantly. Grab your iPhone and follow us now. The first tip is easy for you who remember the Apple ID account and phone number. First, go to iforgot.apple.com website. Enter your Apple ID account to continue. Next, enter the correct phone number that is linked to the Apple ID. Then, the notification will pop up on your iPhone. Tap on Allow to reset the password. After doing that, sign out of your Apple ID. Go to General to tap on the Transfer or Reset iPhone option. Choose to erase all content and settings. Tap on Erase iPhone and done. Also, iTunes or Finder is a good choice for resetting iPhone. First, please turn off Find My iPhone in settings if it is on. Next, put your iPhone into recovery mode. Power off your iPhone, press and hold the volume up button and side button at the same time. Release buttons until you see the recovery mode screen. Connect your iPhone to your PC or Mac, iTunes or Finder will pop up, and click the Restore button. Next, click to confirm the restore. iTunes will download firmware and restore your iPhone automatically. The third tip seems to be more easy and user-friendly, which is to use any unlock to reset iPhone without Apple ID password. Click the link in the description to download and launch any unlock. Select the Unlock Screen Passcode feature and click Start Now. Connect your iPhone via USB cable to your PC or Mac and put your iPhone into recovery mode. Power off your iPhone. Press and hold the volume up button and side button at the same time until you see the recovery mode screen. Next, click to download firmware. The time depends on the size of the firmware. Please connect to a stable network and wait patiently. When firmware is downloaded, click to Unlock Now. Any unlock will unlock iPhone automatically. Please wait for a while. After unlocking, set up your iPhone, and done. Sometimes, you may be stuck on the activation lock or iPhone locked owner screen. How to bypass it? If your iPhone model is from iPhone 5S to iPhone 10, please check this tip. Choose the Bypass iCloud Activation Lock feature in any unlock. Click Start Now and check the device information. Next, click Bypass Now. Follow the instructions to put your iPhone into DFU mode. Press and hold the volume down button and side button for 9 seconds, release the side button, and hold the volume down button for 10 seconds. Then, release the volume down button, and the bypass process will start automatically. After it has been done, set up your iPhone, and the activation lock screen will be skipped. Look, we have regained access to this iPhone. That's all tip. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.